Fergie. Fergie. So this is a review of Doob3D 3D HQ. This was our test subject dog. She is about 13 years old, and we were thinking we would want to remember her. So we got one of these 3D little statues made of her. Now you can see she's a little on the older side, but just trying to give you an idea so you see what the dog looks like. And then, hey, no, don't eat it. Don't you eat that. Stop it, dog. Ferg, leave it alone. That is the little Doober, or the little 3D HQ thing. So, I don't know if you can tell, but you can really see that it is the correct dog. Now, this thing was, I think this was about 150 bucks, all said and done, which, yeah, that's kind of crazy. But we were thinking for a Christmas ornament, or, to remember the dogs. I don't know, I assume if they go down in price, they would be a little bit better. Not sure we're going to be doing this again, but overall, and that is the smallest one that you can get. It is pretty remarkable how, spot on it is. If you know the dog, you look at this and you instantly recognize that it's the correct dog. So pretty high marks for 3D HQ. All right. Hope everybody is out there having fun, being safe, coronavirus.